Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Burnedfi token. Now before we start the video, this is my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Burnedfi, by purchasing burn and then using a D app to burn tokens, exchange them for bull to participate in liquidity mining. According to the website, by purchasing burn and then using a D app to burn tokens, exchange them for bull to participate in liquidity mining, earning BNB dividends. The daily rate can go as high as 2% ownership renounced. Burnedfi is a cryptocurrency token that operates on the Binance Smart Chain BSC, a blockchain known for its high-speed transaction and low fees. The Binance Smart Chain is parallel blockchain to Binance Chain, designed to enable the creation of smart contracts and decentralized application DApps. This dual chain architecture allows users to transfer assets seamlessly between two blockchains, enhancing the overall functionality and user experience. Burnedfi token total supply is 12.36 million and circulating supply is also 12.36 million Burn token is listed on PancakeSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.